This is the Kospet Tank T3, the direct successor to the Tank T2. The model comes with several notable upgrades, but still maintains its rugged design and build quality. It features a 1.43-inch AMOLED touchscreen with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and a brightness of 1000 nits. The display is now protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, offering improved scratch resistance compared to the Pander tempered glass used in the Tank T2. As for build quality, the Tank T3 comes in a TC4 titanium unibody, which is corrosion resistant and meets IP69K and MIL, STD, 810H standards. It is waterproof up to 50 meters, 5 atm, and can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +70 degrees Celsius, along with resistance to drops and scratches. Under the hood, the Tank T3 is powered by the Actions ATS3085L chipset, an upgrade from the Realtek 8763EW in the Tank T2. It has 256 MB of RAM and 256 MB of internal storage, doubling the memory capacity of its predecessor. Bluetooth 5.3 is supported for connectivity and Bluetooth calling. The Tank T3 has a 500 mAh battery, an increase from the 410 mAh battery in the Tank T2. It weighs 75 grams and available in black and silver colors. The table below contains the full specifications of the Kospet Tank T3 rugged smartwatch.